Are you looking for the best speed squares and your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best speed squares that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Swanson SW1 201K7 and Big 12 Speed Square Layout Toolkit. Having one of these layout tools is like carrying a specially designed building calculator in your pocket, but having two is just brilliant. The Swanson SW1 201K 2-pack of 7 inches and 12 inches speed squares is all you'll ever need to set out roof pitches, find angles, and make accurate and quick straight cuts in timber. Made in the USA from decent gauge aluminium alloy, they're lightweight, rigid, and thankfully non-reflective. You get the full range of roof pitches, angles, and hip values etched and then inked onto the surface of the metal, so you know they're not going to rub off. These speed squares have tons of uses, but one of my favorites is made easier with this version. There are scribing notches cut into the perpendicular side, meaning you can mark perfectly parallel lines on the workpiece. The only slight issue is that they're all in imperial measurements because they're American. Otherwise, these are incredibly useful measuring tools. And the pack includes the legendary Swanson Blue Book as well. Up next in the 4th place is the Opapark 2-pack Rafter Square 12 inches and 7 inches Imperial Carpenter Squares. Specializing in tools, accessories, and other clever things, Opapark have put together a mighty pair of squares. You get a 2-pack consisting of one 12-inch and one 7-inch speed square. It means you've got one for smaller bits of timber, and a full-size one for laying out roof trusses and stairs, constructed from an aluminium alloy. Both these squares are identical in design. You can scribe, angle find, and guide a circular saw across timbers. There's plenty more you can do with a bit of practice as well. For the money, this is an excellent pair of squares that should last for years. The 3rd product on our list is the Swanson Speed Square and Combination Square Value Pack. The original Speed Square kings, Swanson, invented the tool back in 1925 and have been proudly making them ever since. Manufactured in the USA. This value pack speed square and combination square is everything you need to cut things just the way you want them. Supplied with the legendary Swanson Blue Book, this is an all-in-one roofing kit. You can learn how to cut rafters to length and all the tricks of their famous speed square. No competent carpenter would be without a combination square either. Useful for measuring, checking things are 9-dig or 45-dig, scribing, or even as a spirit level, they're a vital part of a decent toolkit. This is a great set of tools for a beginner or even an experienced carpenter. There's everything you need to get working, so long as you've got a sharp pencil. Second on our list is the DeWalt DWHT 46031 Aluminium 7-inch Premium Rafter Square. Easily one of the most loved power tool brands in the world. DeWalt have legions of fans and make some serious kit. The DWHT 46031 Rafter Square doesn't disappoint. It's extremely robust and comes with a matte black finish that should keep down any glare. Manufactured with an extra wide base to keep it more stable, you can scribe along the length of timbers in 1/4 gradations using the cut and notches. The black finish doesn't just help to stop any glare, it also shows up the numbers in extremely high contrast. Finally, the top product on our list is the Dashuaige 7-inch blue triangle ruler with metric marking. With an interesting range of clever gadgets, Dashuaige have also made an incredibly useful speed square for us metric users. It features everything you'd need for making layouts, but without the added head scratching of converting from imperial measurements. Manufactured from a quality aluminium alloy, you're not going to lose this square anytime soon thanks to its bright blue finish. The sharply contrasting white markings are also easy to follow. What I like most about this handy tool is that I can use the metric side as a ruler without having to think. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.